Hello, and welcome to yet another tutorial on how to use Plani. In short, what you will now see and how I usually explain it to my family is where you just take a goal where you have some doubts or you are procrastinating about, and you ask Plani for help. So, the first thing to do is to press the button Launch App, which will guide you to the main dashboard, as you can see here. The main thing you will notice here is the minimalistic style, and due to popular demand, a clean and intuitive to use deck. The steps are quite simple. On the left side, you have the possibility to create your new goal. Once you get to this stage, the first thing you want to do is to write down a clear goal. And since most of us are meeting here for the first time, let's go of course with let's successfully launch my SaaS goal management tool on Product Hunt. And you just press start. The second step is to go through our generative AI questionnaire. We here made sure that we don't ask standardized questions, but all questions will adapt to the previous answers given. So here, my tool, for example, is ready for launch. We would press ready for launch and continue, or we could just write a personalized answer. So once you reply to all the questions, you're all set to tackle your tasks. Organize them into to-do lists, deep dive into more complex tasks with a feature Ask Your Task, or just overall keep your progress in check. Each task, of course, can be set into different stages, like next up or in progress, or you can here clearly identify which tasks you should prioritize first, as vertically it is organized in regards to importance. Overall, Plani is now able to provide you an interactive dashboard for a very specific goal that you set for yourself that breaks them down into more manageable and achievable tasks in the end. From this stage onwards, you can always go back to the dashboard where you can work on your different goals simultaneously. Lastly, on my side, I would like to thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. And I look forward to see how Plani can actually help you organize better your goals and keep you focused on what is, in the end, really important.